I picked up the base OPPO tablet. Many wanted to see it run PUBG at 144 FPS, right? No problem, I've got you covered. Let's start with the design. The 8.8-inch screen has 2520 ADO resolution and 144 Hz. The color is space gray. Performance-wise, it packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Mine's the 8GB 256GB model with an 8000 mAh battery. I ran a quick benchmark in performance mode with a cooler attached, and it hit 3 million points, beating 69% of users. But without the cooler, it doesn't seem to be able to finish. It overheats and crashes halfway through. For gaming, we've got 90 FPS on HDR, HD, and balanced settings. While smooth mode hits 144 FPS, we'll be playing at 1080p with smooth mode at 144 FPS. It's prompting me to turn on esports mode, so I'll just enable it. As you can see here, esports mode is now active. For touch response, we're going with extreme settings. Room temp is 23.3 degrees, battery at 81%. Let's get started. Alright guys, we're back in the game. Don't rush, let the frame rate stabilize for a bit. Let's head back to the spawn point. Okay, let's tap it. Let's move around a bit at the spawn point. The frame rate here is fine. Huh? What's going on? Wait, why is the frame rate 0.0? What's happening? Well, this time it should... Oh no. What's going on here? The frame rate has dropped all the way back down to 0.0 again. Alright everyone, listen, I am definitely not clicking on that link this time around. What on earth is actually going on here? I honestly cannot even see the frame rate anymore, and this is starting to get really tricky. Just, how many people are in here? Whoa, there are over 20 people in here. This is just... Hey, the frame rate is dropping quite low again right after landing, 106. Alright then, I'm not going to mark anything this time around. Let's just start searching for some people, 109. Damn, I've been taken down. Don't you worry about a thing, boys. We are officially back in the game. 107. Wait, is that 144? That's actually pretty nice. 90? What exactly is going on here? 139? Alright, I'm back in the action once again. There are 22 people left, but that's really no problem at all. Just bring them all on. I'll take them out one by one. 142. That is absolutely perfect. You landed that nice and smooth. So how many did you get there? Only 13. Man, that is honestly pretty weak. Seriously, there was no style to it. Enough of the chatter. The game's not lagging. I need you all to just take a moment, step back, and really pay close attention to exactly how I handle the situation, alright? Because I'm about to show you how it's done, and I want to make sure that everyone here is on the same page before I get started. Are we all in agreement? Are we feeling solid about this? Can I get a confirmation from everyone that we are ready to move forward together? I really need to know that we are all on the same page before I dive into this, so just give me a quick nod or a word if we are ready to go. Let's just play for 37 minutes and 28 seconds. After 45 minutes of play, the battery's at 66%, down 15%. Performance is a smooth 144 FPS. At 1080p in PUBG, dropping into crowded theme areas causes some frame drops. My red dot sight is bugged at 0.0, so it's unusable. But with 10 or fewer players, it stays stable. Rivals, phone, gaming, and the heat is manageable. What do you think? Do you guys have this tablet? How about we play some PUBG later?